Hello students, today we are going to learn some basic but very beautiful basics of the maths. So starting with, let us we are having a square, okay, which is of side A. Now we are taking rectangle which is having the breadth as A and length as B. Another same rectangle we are taking and rotating it and fix it over here. So now this part is again B. Now when we fill out this area, like by this green square, we are having it is of B by B. This square is having area A square. Now both the two rectangles are having the area AB, and the last one square is having the area of B square. Now adding the area, that is A square plus AB that is 2AB and plus B square. Now when we see the side of this big square it's equals to A plus B. So the area of this square will be A plus B whole square. That is, this is equal to A plus B whole square. This is how we got the identity. Now coming over to the second trick, that is summation of 1 upon 2 to the power n, where n starts from 1 till infinity. You must have seen such types of questions in various Olympiads. That is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 and so on till infinity. Now, what is their sum equals to? Their sum is equals to 1. How? This is the main question. So let us take a square which is of side 1 by 1. So its area is 1. Now divide it into two parts, having both the havings area of 1 by 2 each. Now again taking one part of this and dividing it into two. So every part is having the area of 1/4 and 1/4. Now again taking one part out of it and dividing it into two. So again its area is 1 by 8 and 1 by 8. Same way, again, we are taking and dividing it into 2. So it is dividing it continuously. You can divide it continuously. But when you add up all the areas of this square, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, 1 by 32, and so on till infinity, you are getting the area equals to 1. This is how the trick was. Now, the third one, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So first we divide it by a. A gets cancelled over here. So x square plus b by ax plus c by a is equals to 0. Now you must have seen x square plus b by ax plus c by a is equals to 0 in some quadratic formula derivation. So we are going to derive again this formula. Now taking a square which is of side x each, that is x square. Now again making a rectangle at the side which is having the length as x and breadth as b by a. Now dividing this b by a in two parts. Okay, so each of them is having the length of b by 2a. Fine. Now taking up this rectangle which is having one is having x and b by 2a and putting it to the right part. Okay, now the total length is of this is x plus b by 2a, and the filling up with the remaining part of this square by this yellow part, that is equals to b by 2a into b by 2a. So its side is equals to b by 2a. Okay, now the total area of this is equals to, we can see this is equals to x plus b by 2a whole square. Okay, so now we are coming over here, x plus b by 2a whole square. This is the side of this whole square having the area x plus b by 2a whole square. Now subtracting this minus b by 2a square and adding c by a out of it. This is giving us 0 again. Now, taking this b by 2a whole square to the right, so we are having x plus b by 2a whole square plus c by a is equals to b by 2a whole square, and c by a is again moving to the right. It is giving minus c by a. Taking the square root both the sides, we are having x plus b by a is equals to b by 2a, sorry, is equals to root of b by 2a whole square minus c by a. So taking this again b by 2a to the right side, we can get this is equals to x equal to minus b by 2a plus minus root of b by 2a whole square minus c by a. Now simplifying this by taking the LCM and putting it over here, the b by 2a whole square is b square by 4a square. So 4a square, we can take out 2a out of it. So we are having the x equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is what your quadratic formula derivation, right? So thank you all for this video. We will continue in our next video. Thank you.